Okay, let us talk about your next experiment, which is on aldehydes and ketone. These are your sample materials. Formaldehyde for your aliphatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde for your aromatic aldehyde, and acetone for your ketone. First reaction is reaction with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Ilang test tubes? 1 for, hindi ito acetaldehyde. Instead, we use formaldehyde. 1 for formaldehyde, 1 for benzaldehyde, and 1 for acetone. 2 Luca test tubes. And this is added with 1 ml of 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. The mixture is shaken. Okay, and you watch for the formation of precipitate. Second reaction, again, 2 Luca test tubes for the Schiff's test. Just a few drops of your sample material and added with 1 ml of Schiff's reagent. Third test is oxidation with Tollens reagent. 10 drops of your test material, and 5 ml of ammoniacal solution of silver nitrate. This is your Tollens reagent, and this is heated in a water bath for 3 minutes. And you watch for formation of metallic deposit or darkening of your test tube. Next is Felling's test. Again, 3 test tubes containing a few drops of your sample material, mga 3 drops, and then added with 3 ml of Felling's solution. If the Felling solutions are mixed together, then you add 5 ml. Heated in a water bath, and watch for the disappearance of the blue color and formation of an orange precipitate. And oxidation with potassium permanganate solution. A few drops of your sample and added with potassium permanganate and dilute sulfuric acid. Take note of the disappearance of the color of the potassium permanganate. So yun lang. Ganun lang yung inyong experiment.